Sabino Church, and I am going to join everyone. I am going to join the Sabino people that worship God. and I hope you can forgive me.
That's okay. That's okay. They can forgive you, Ate Norma. But anyway, I'm so happy that Ate Norma received Jesus Christ today, this afternoon, and we prayed, and yeah, to God be the glory. And Ate Norma is already ready to meet Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Amen. Yes. Okay, thank you so much for your prayers. And Ate Norma is tulog na, sleep na.
No.
Okay.
Bye-bye.